Where are you going?
I'm going to the roof deck.
May tawag sila eh, Sky something.
SM MOA Sky Park.
Okay. There it is. It's called Welcome to MOA Sky.
MOA Sanctuary.
But the entire thing is the sky.
MOA Sky. MOA Paw Park pala. Only for the dog.
You read what
For baby.
pasok ka sa store. There's MOA Sanctuary.
The species allowed at the MOA Paw Park: rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, pig, monkey, dragon.
What do you mean species allowed? Hindi, baka may ano, may decorations, may installation ng rat, ng monkey, hindi ng species allowed.
Why would they allow a rat?
Diba? May amphitheater, ano pa?
South Sky Plaza.
Football
Football
pitch.
pitch.
And Pop-Art.
For the fur babies.
Alright, let's go out. I'm not sure I'm happy about it.
Why aren't you happy?
Eh parang sementeryo ang dating sa akin. Because may bougainvillea ba?
It's sanctuary.
Anong exhibit? Baka may bayad. Anong meron? What did you see?
The exhibit is called Karu Karu.
What's that?
It's an exhibit of miniature carrozas.
Anong tawag nila?
Karu Karuhan.
Karuk, okay.
Suspended na yung Solid North bus
Bakit?
because of a massive collision at Essex
Kailan nagkaroon ng collision?
today.
Kasi naman sila magko-collision.
12 people died.
So sino yung ka-collision niya? Ngayon pa siya na-suspend paano yung mga bakasyon, Labor Day. So these are beads. There are 10. So mag-rosary kayo dito. O kasi may plaque na naman doon. So another mystery. Depende kung anong week or araw.
Because life is a mystery.
O kanta ka daw.
Life is a mystery.
So read the mysteries.
Joyful mystery. The Annunciation. The Archangel Gabriel.
Hindi ko alam yung luminous.
The baptism.
There used to be just joyful, sorrowful, and glorious. Now there is such a thing as luminous. If it's joyful, the second mystery is the visitation.
So dark.
Kasi wala pang nakatira. Hindi pa na turn over yan.
Year of the Horse. Personality.
You were saying yung zoning.
Doon is the Catholic side.
Oo, ito
Is the
Chinese New Year. Chinese years, diba? Zodiac sign.
Let's look for the cock.
You approach the snake. Diba? Kakatakot yung snake. What does it say? Pag year of the snake, hindi naman tayo 25, 2013, 201, 1989, 1977, 1965, 1953. Wow, may outdoor gym for kids. Hindi pala gym. Playground. So parang ano ba, equivalent ba yan ng monkey bars? Pwede kang maglambitin. Ano tinanong mo? Ha? Nasaan daw? Oh my God, there is more. Wait, there's more. So ano yan? Is that a work of art or laruan yan? Ito, I think we're looking at the rabbit. Yung puting. It's rabbit.
Safe to say.
Oh, yung red sa dulo, pig. Pig ba ang tawag nila? May year of the pig ba? What other words used to refer to a pig? Boar? Boar is a pig? Hindi. Swine. Pero naririnig ko lang yung swine pag may flu. Swine flu. Dagat na yan eh. Ay, hindi dagat. Reclamation na yan. So yung mga ilaw na nakikita natin, I think they are the dredging ships, boats. Napagod ka na? So, nasa aircon na tayo. We just came from there. So, what say you?
About Moa Sky?
Yes.
It's massive. It's
Okay.
expansive. Just like the sky.
Oo. Napagod ka?
Super.
Diba? Nagutom ka na uli?
Yeah, I'm just hungry for dessert.
Okay. So,
May pizza.
but you like, it's Korean pizza,
I don't
diba?
like Korean pizza. I want
Why, have you tasted?
Italian.
Have you tasted Korean pizza? What's in a Korean pizza that you don't like?
The bulgogi.
So, it's a pizza with, kimchi? Ganyan ba yan?
Yeah.
Well,
and
yes ba yan? Or
yes.
fake
and,
news?
Tteokbokki.
Ha? So, Homer, JP Rizal. Anong makakain? Okay. Okay, you were saying.
Grabe puno.
Ano bang TFF?
Ay. It starts here, fried food.
So, ang rice 99, wala pang ulam. Tama ba yan?
Yeah. You have to pick.
So, para ka nag-risotto.
So what is this? This is Bohol cuisine. Bohol Anon cuisine. Kasi it's TFF is Stars Here Fried Food.
I don't know.
Stars Here Fried Food.
Ayan, dessert, yeah. La Churrera. Meron, sa tabi niya may Chunky Boss.
Jelly.
Opo, meron din po yung bilog-bilog na Maltesers po. Yung chocolate po na bilog.
Yung Thai tea,
Wait lang. Hindi ko kabisado po yung sa Thai po.
so sabi niya shaved ice, pero may laman. So, yung Milo Dinosaur, for example, is jelly.
There was a time in my life that the whole cake was 190. Now it's just a slice.
A measly slice.
Yes. Okay, so what are we ordering? Siguro magko-coffee na lang ako.
Then you can share a slice. You want?
Okay, sige.
And isang iced Americano. One iced mocha.
Uy, 19. It's so you.
Yes. So, we are seated right under the eponymous after tree.
What is an after tree? Ano ibig sabihin ng after tree?
It's the name of the tree.
Is it edible? Does it produce edible fruit? Is it what?
I don't know.
Is it fictional tree?
Maybe because there are, what do you call these? Elf?
Oh.
Elfin.
Nakakatuwa tong lighting na to. This lighting is not the cafe's lighting. It's the lighting outside. Parang it's a walkway. Pero nakadagdag siya ng ambience sa cafe na to. Still buffering si Google.
It's
Ano
a
sabi?
phrase that is a bit unusual and doesn't have a standard meaning. It's possible it could be a typo or a misheard phrase.
So walang website to explaining
sabi niya,
after tree.
It is impossible to determine a specific meaning. It might be a metaphorical or artistic usage.
So nanguhula si AI just because hindi niya alam.
Ito ba yung after?
Anong sabi sa inyo? Anong meaning ng after tree? Kasi ginugol namin, walang masabi si Google.
Ha? Pero ano tong tree na to? Ito, nasa gitna.
Itong puno na to, ano
Ito
to?
yung after tree.
Oo nga, artificial.
Ito yung after tree na sinasabi.
Ano daw yung after tree?
AJ ka? AJ din ako.
AJ.
Pareho tayo. So,
Tinago mo pa ang AJ. Oo. So, hindi niya alam ang sagot kung ano ang after tree. So, sinong nakakaalam? Diba? Mahiyain ka for a server. Hindi siya kasama sa training.
tanong mo yung
Manager mo kung ano yung sabi ng after tree. What say you?
I like the cake.
Hindi ko siya type.
Ito yung medyo hindi ko tayo. It takes too creamy.
Too sweet, too bitter,
Too sweet and too creamy.
Eh, but the creamier the mocha, mas masarap, diba?
Okay, it's not that bad, but it's not the best.